You know, as a Miami native, I've had the luxury of enjoying all that this beautiful city has to offer. So I have to ask myself, with the city so much to see and experience, if I was a tourist visiting for just a few days, where do I start first? I mean, it's crucial to see as much as you can, right? And if you're a tourist coming down to visit us in sunny Miami, you're expecting two things. First, the picturesque blue Miami water, and second, the variety of tastes and spices. But what some of you don't know is that we actually have some places that you can get both of them at the same time. So whether you're a tourist visiting Miami and trying to bang out as much as you can, or you're a businessman looking for a temporary release in your busy workday, I've got some great spots for you. I'm Ray Zomer, and you're watching Ocean Table. Hi, Ray Zomer here, and welcome back to Ocean Table. The next restaurant on our list is known for being the perfect mix of class and romance. So from lovebirds to business people alike, you are all going to want to check this place out. We all know Miami can get a little hot and wild. But if you're looking to tone it down a bit and impress someone special, Smith & Wollensky's is the place to be. Gentlemen, if you're watching this with your lady right now, I'm about to throw you under the bus because she deserves a taste of culinary luxury. Ladies, I got your back. Here at Smith & Wollensky, they treat their dishes with tender love and care, and it shows. For instance, just look at this beef carpaccio. I mean, it's set on a Himalayan salt block. Now that's fancy. It's incredible. You can actually taste the fact that it was rested on salt. There's a hint of it, but not too much. It doesn't overbear. And there's splash of citrus, my favorite. It's incredibly light. It's fantastic with a little side salad. All right, so let's go talk to some of the chefs and see if we can find out what else is on the menu. So what else do the chefs at Smith & Wollensky have cooking up for us? Let's go find out. All right, I'm here in the kitchen of Smith & Wollensky with Chef Dana. Chef Dana, what do you have cooking up for us today?
Well, here at Smith & Wollensky, we're really famous for our shellfish platter. We use some of the best and biggest ingredients. We have some nice 6/8 shrimps here.
Those are huge.
We get fresh oysters almost daily from Boston. This is called a Cape May oyster. Very sweet, very nice. I'll just set one up here real quick for you guys.
Absolutely. So how many of these do you think you have ordered a day here at Smith & Wollensky?
I don't know. It's hard to say. We sell a lot of shellfish. But that's a nice plump oyster there. So that's one of the things that we really try to do is try to get fresh product in daily into the restaurant. We're getting these really nice oysters from Boston now, which is Cape May oyster. Very nice oyster. So this is a very popular platter that we serve here at the restaurant.
Beautiful.
You can almost smell the ocean there. It really smells good. I mean, a nice little lobster here we're going to put on the platter.
Oh, gorgeous.
And claws, and so forth and so on. So we're going to go ahead and decorate this platter up nicely for the guests.
Oh my!
That's a good way to get your day started. A nice shellfish platter, you know. Nice big shrimp.
Or the perfect way to kick off any date, huh?
Exactly. Nice jumbo lump crab meat here.
Everything looks so fresh.
Yeah. See, I mean, look at the size of those lumps.
Incredible.
Nice, beautiful lumps.
It's a mouthful.
And then here's some nice clams. Little neck clams.
Oh, beautiful.
Got caper berries. A few caper berries there. We'll put a little seaweed garnish on there. Seaweed garnish. And there we go. It's a nice little shellfish platter.
There you are.
Nice way to get your dinner started off, you know?
That is a fantastic plate we have there. That's perfect for any guests.
Yeah, this is a great way to get started here at Smith & Wollensky while you're over the water, you know? Waterfront dining, shellfish. Can't lose with that.
Alrighty, Chef, you had me with the fresh seafood, but what else do you have for me on that?
This is a new item we have on the menu, which is really taking off. People are really loving it. It's called Salmon Three-Way.
Okay.
And so we make all of this in the house. This is our pastrami salmon over here.
Okay.
And this is just a gravlax over here. And we cure it with salt, brown sugar, and some dark rum.
Wow.
And it's got a really nice flavor.
How long is it cured for?
It's cured basically for about 48 hours.
Wow.
And then this process takes a little longer with the pastrami spices that go on the top.
Sure.
So here, let me plate one up for you.
Oh, please.
Okay, so basically I do is just slice it nice and paper thin. Like that. And I give it 2 slices of each one. That's the pastrami. the pastrami salmon. So basically what we're just going to do is we're going to roll that up, put that on the plate over here. And then this over here is the gravlax, which is just cured salmon with the brown sugar, salt, and a little bit of rum.
Love it.
So that's the two of them there. And then here what I've done is I've taken some salmon scraps, or not scraps, but like the tail pieces, and I've diced them up and I've made a ceviche. A little ceviche here. So that's basically that. So that's the three components. What we're going to do is we're going to put a little avocado on top of that. A couple slices, a nice little slice of avocado, hopefully.
Beautiful.
A little avocado.
Perfect garnish.
A little bit of greens. And then two sauces. Just a little citrus sauce here.
A lime base, or?
Yeah, it's olive oil, mustard, and lime. And then
Very cool.
this one over here, that's a little orange sauce. That we put
Orange
on
sauce to go
Yeah,
perfect with the rum.
Right, exactly. And then just a little sprinkle for a little color. That's a nice little appetizer to go along with our Chardonnay, with the Smith & Wollensky Chardonnay. Very nice.
All right, so Dana, what's the best call for this? To cut it up?
Yeah, just you can take it and cut off a little piece and put it on the little crostini over here.
Oh, wow.
A little bit of the sauce on there.
So it's like a hardened piece of bread, very cool. Giving it the orange sauce, definitely. All right, rum's away. The way the orange mixed with the salmon is just like nothing I've ever tasted before. That's incredible. Gravlax with citrus sauce. Awesome, very nice. All right. Right into the sauce. Onto the crostini. Same fish, completely different experience.
Yeah, quite a bit of difference.
It's like a different meat almost.
Yeah.
Wow, very cool. And last but not least, the ceviche, of course. I love all things relative to lime. Oh, that is cool. Salmon ceviche, very nice.
Okay.
Very nice. Cool flavor, definitely taste the lime in it.
Yeah,
incredible.
it's very refreshing.
Yeah, and the freshness of it compared to all three of those, salmon three ways. Very cool.
Okay.
Chef Dana,
My pleasure.
thank you very much for having us in here.
Okay.
What is romance without dessert and an ocean view? Here at Smith & Wollensky, picking a dessert can be pretty difficult. But personally, I'm excited to try their world-famous carrot cake. Now, I've already got my wine, but where's my cake? That is Death by Carrot Love. Oh my, wow. The cream cheese is stuck in between each layer and garnished on top. Fantastic. I can eat this forever. I think I can just survive off of carrot cake. The cream cheese frosting is out of this world. It's incredible. And to mix with the citrus reduction sauce just adds a twist on the classic carrot cake. Like, no. And on top of the cake is Smith & Wollensky's own branding, a beautiful piece of chocolate with the building and Smith & Wollensky's name on it. And it's all mine. Oh, that is awesome. That is incredible. All right, taking the wine and I'm out. If you're looking for a more sophisticated culinary experience with a beautiful oceanfront view, with friends, coworkers, or that special someone, then come down to Smith & Wollensky's and treat yourself to excellence. Well, that's all for today, folks. I'm off to go find some more surreal places to eat and drink on the beach. I'm Ray Zomer, and I'll see you next time on Ocean Table.